or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think, learn, and perform tasks that typically require human-like cognitive processes such as reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI is an interdisciplinary field of computer science that seeks to build systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks can range from simple ones like recognizing patterns in data to complex ones such as driving a car, generating content, or translating languages. Introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been a major field of research and innovation for several decades, and it continues to evolve and impact various aspects of our lives. The primary aim of AI is to create systems capable of intelligent behavior. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and complex medical diagnostic systems, AI technologies are increasingly integrated into both our daily lives and professional domains. The concept of AI encompasses both theoretical research and practical applications, and its scope continues to expand as technology advances. AI can be broadly classified into two types: narrow AI, weak AI, and general AI, strong AI. 1. Narrow AI, weak AI. Narrow AI, also referred to as weak AI, is the most common type of AI in use today. It refers to systems that are designed and trained to perform a specific task or set of tasks. These systems are highly specialized and are not capable of performing tasks beyond their programmed capabilities. Examples of narrow AI include voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which are designed to respond to specific queries and commands. Image recognition software that can identify objects or faces in photographs. Recommendation algorithms used by platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify to suggest content based on user behavior. Narrow AI is based on algorithms and machine learning techniques designed to handle specific problems or datasets. 2. General AI, strong AI. General AI, also called strong AI, refers to a more advanced form of artificial intelligence that aims to replicate human cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks. A system with general AI would have the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human being can do, including problem-solving, reasoning, learning, and adapting to new situations. At present, general AI remains theoretical and has not yet been achieved. While narrow AI has made significant strides in specialized tasks, achieving true general intelligence remains a long-term goal for researchers in the AI field. Some of the key challenges include understanding human-level reasoning and intuition, building systems that can transfer knowledge across different domains, creating self-awareness and consciousness in machines. History of artificial intelligence. The origins of AI can be traced back to classical philosophers and mathematicians who pondered the nature of intelligence and sought to replicate it artificially. However, the formal field of AI as we know it today was born in the mid-20th century. Key milestones in the history of AI. Alan Turing and the Turing test, 1950. British mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing proposed the concept of the Turing test, a way to measure whether a machine exhibits intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. This laid the groundwork for future AI research. The Dartmouth Conference, 1956, considered the birth of AI as a formal academic discipline. The Dartmouth Conference was a summer research project led by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon. It introduced the idea of artificial intelligence and set the stage for decades of research and development. Early AI programs, 1950s to 1960s. Early AI programs focused on symbolic reasoning, problem solving, and logic. One notable example was The Logic Theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, which was able to prove mathematical theorems. AI Winter, 1970s to 1980s. After initial optimism, AI research faced setbacks due to limitations in computing power and the inability to solve more complex problems, leading to a period of reduced funding and interest in the field, known as the AI Winter. Resurgence and the rise of machine learning, 1990s to 2000s. In the late 20th century, AI research saw a resurgence with the development of machine learning, which focuses on creating algorithms that can improve through experience. This period saw the rise of technologies like speech recognition, natural language processing, and expert systems. Deep learning and big data, 2010s to present. The 21st century has seen rapid advancements in AI, particularly through the use of deep learning and big data, founders and key figures in AI. The development of AI has been driven by the work of numerous scientists, researchers, and visionaries. Some of the key figures in the history of AI include Alan Turing, 1912–1954. Known as the father of computer science and artificial intelligence. Turing proposed the idea of a machine that could simulate any human intelligence and introduced the Turing test. John McCarthy, 1927–2011. Often referred to as the father of AI, McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and was one of the organizers of the Dartmouth Conference. Marvin Minsky, 1927–2016. Minsky was a key figure in the development of AI and co-founded the MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. He contributed to the development of neural networks and cognitive psychology. Herbert A. Simon, 1916–2001. A pioneer in both AI and cognitive science, Simon developed the theory of bounded rationality and made significant contributions to problem-solving techniques. Geoffrey Hinton, 1947–present. Known as the godfather of deep learning, Hinton's work on neural networks and backpropagation laid the foundation for modern deep learning systems. Yoshua Bengio, 1964 to present. Another prominent figure in the field of deep learning, Bengio's work focuses on learning algorithms and artificial neural networks. Yann LeCun, 1960 to present. LeCun is one of the leading figures in the field of machine learning and deep learning. He is known for his work on convolutional neural networks, CNNs. Popular AI websites and platforms. Several websites and platforms provide access to AI technologies, research and resources for developers, researchers, and enthusiasts. Some of the most notable include OpenAI, http www.openai.com. OpenAI is a leading AI research organization focused on developing artificial general intelligence. It is known for projects like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and DALLE. Google AI, https g-ai.google. Google AI is the research division of Google focused on advancing the field of AI. It provides a range of AI tools and resources, including TensorFlow, a popular open-source machine learning library. DeepMind, https deepmind.com. Acquired by Google in 2014. DeepMind is a pioneer in reinforcement learning and has made headlines for creating AI systems capable of playing games like Go and StarCraft 2. IBM Watson, http://www.ibm.com, Watson. IBM Watson offers AI-powered solutions for various industries, including healthcare, finance, and customer service. It provides tools for natural language processing, data analysis, and AI development. Kaggle, https bar.kaggle.com. Kaggle is a platform for data science and machine learning competitions, where developers can collaborate, learn, and work on AI projects using datasets and challenges provided by the community. MIT AI, https www.csale.mit.edu. The Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory, CSAIL, at MIT is one of the leading AI research institutions. It publishes cutting-edge research and provides resources for AI learning. Fast.ai, https www.fast.ai. Fast.ai is an open-source deep learning platform that focuses on making AI education accessible and practical for developers at all levels. Stanford AI, https://ai stanford.edu. Stanford University offers a variety of AI courses, research programs, and resources on artificial intelligence through its AI department.